Hey.
License registration?
Yeah.
Kind of poor timing, huh?
Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess.
Yeah. So, a couple of reasons why I'm stopping you is obviously.
Yeah, no, I honestly know what I was doing, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Can I get off the bike because my registration's in here?
In the compartment?
Yeah.
Okay, anything in the backpack I should be aware about?
No, you can take a look if you want.
No, I just.
Okay.
General question.
Yep.
Get off the bike, it's not like usually our standards.
Yeah, no, I know. I watch a lot of like live PD.
Yeah.
So like I was just,
Can't help to ask, are we being videotaped right now?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Appreciate the honesty.
Yeah.
How's your driving record?
Honestly, if I got one more ticket, I'm suspended, so I'm probably gonna get suspended right now.
You are active right now?
Yeah, no, I got pulled over by a state trooper and he gave me a really big ticket.
Okay.
He said if I got pulled over again, then I got another ticket, I'd be suspended, so.
Okay. I mean, I'll see it on your driving record.
Yeah.
What was that citation for?
Speeding, yeah.
Like
In unsafe lane change.
or anything like that?
Sorry?
Driving to endanger, radical anything
I think it was
like
just speeding in unsafe lane change.
that? All right, all civil, not criminal or anything?
Yeah, no.
Okay. All right, so obviously you know why I'm pulling over.
Yeah, speeding.
Also, we've gotten complaints on it.
I bet, yeah.
So, I mean, to the T, like your helmet, the color of the bike,
Yeah.
the GoPro,
Mhm.
all that stuff. So, you live locally?
Yeah, I live right over on right.
Okay. Is there a reason why you didn't pull in there, or were you going somewhere else? Or
Honestly, speed.
figured
Yeah.
coming in too hot?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, fair enough. Hang
Yeah.
tight. Are you new to the area, or?
Like 2 or 3 years new.
Okay, all right. So we've never met or anything like that?
No, I don't think so. I've never been pulled over by a Millis cop before, so.
Okay. And you got the citation on this?
No, it's on my R3.
In January?
Yeah.
Savage. Riding in January?
Sorry? This
Savage.
bike?
Well, no, riding a bike in general.
No, I got it in July 2019.
It says January.
That I got the bike?
No, on the citation.
Yeah, I got the citation in January.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
It's riding in January. It's typically cold.
Oh, yeah, it was that day where it was like 65 out.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So listen, I've never dealt with you, and you're being straightforward with me,
Yeah.
so I appreciate all that. I respect honesty.
Yeah, that's.
It seems like you obviously knew what you were doing.
Mm-hmm.
So with that being said, drive safely. Situation. So
Okay.
the thing is, people hear it, and they probably think you're going 20 miles an hour faster than you actually are. So
Okay.
I'll tell you right now, just being honest with you,
Yeah.
it's specifically from Dover Road residents. And I mean, even one of his officers, when you got called in Millis, was like, yeah, that bike was just at CVS. So you
Oh,
know
really?
CVS, right?
The one in Medfield.
Yeah, exactly.
I think he saw me.
He's from Medfield, I'm from
Okay.
Millis. So, like, kind of sticks out like a sore thumb.
Oh, okay. I thought because there was a cop that walked in the CVS. I thought it was him, but.
But I'm just going to give you a verbal warning. If I did write you a ticket right now, because you'd have 3 in that time frame, the register's probably going to suspend your license to operate. So,
Yeah.
with that being said, I'd be on your best behavior on this.
Yeah.
I know it's tough. I know they're quick, but you know.
And I just got this too, like 2 or 3 days ago.
Do you still have the other bike, the R3?
Yeah. I actually ruined it. I crashed on it. I fell. Yeah.
That's what I don't want to. I don't
Let
have
me
to.
take a guess. Were you driving too fast?
Honestly, no. You know Jake and Joe's in Norwood?
Yeah.
I was coming out of there and like it was just really cold. It was like colder than this actually.
Yeah.
And I guess like the cold tires because I was leaving the parking lot.
Yeah.
I just kind of like I guess put too much throttle into the turn.
Well, those things, yeah, the soft composite tires. So
Yeah.
when it's cold, it hardens up and it.
Yeah, but I was only going like 5 miles an hour. It was like slow.
Yeah.
And now like the bike doesn't start anymore. So I think like the ignition. Every time like I try to start it, just like makes clicking noises. So I don't know, but yeah.
But anyways, like I said, I'll give you a break this time, but you gotta drive safe.
Yeah.
If you want to keep your license.
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
Yeah, thank you so much, honestly. Oh my, Jesus Christ, dude, I thought I was done. Dude, I thought I was toast. I thought I was toasted for, bro. I really thought that I was done. Like, there it is, guys. I know that I'm obviously speeding and I'm doing shit wrong, but it's just like, it was an open road, honestly. I just wanted to go for it. I didn't think that there was going to be a cop, and you know what? That's why you don't speed in your own neighborhood and shit. I gotta, like, really stop that, I guess, because that's all people do. People are fucking annoying. Like, I get it, dude. I'm speeding around and shit, but it's like I'm literally not hurting anyone. I'm not hurting you. I'm not like passing like hundreds of cars. I'm not like lane splitting. I'm literally just like speeding on an open road. Like, I know, trust me, I know. I'm not like in any way defending the fact that I'm speeding. It's just fucking whatever.